morning, everybody. We had a peaceful, quiet, beautiful night in a spectacular location. It's on Park 4 Night, and at first it looked kind of dodgy to go down there because I still don't know my vehicle and its power, but it went down without a problem, of course, and then even going up it wasn't a problem, so everything is fine. We are continuing towards the other lake, so we are literally cutting through the mountains, and eventually we will stumble upon a cave. It's gonna be a dirt road, but we've driven so many dirt roads and we are confident in driving them now. So have a good morning, and we are continuing our expedition through Türkiye. Best thing for driving in Türkiye and on these small scenic roads is that you everywhere can find fresh drinking water. Almost everywhere. On every 3 kilometers there is a fountain or a tap. Got to the cave. It's really like being in a canyon here, and there is actually a road, dirt road, leading that way somewhere through the gorge. It says it has camp, a river, bungalows and restaurant. Today is Saturday, so probably the restaurant is open. Maybe we can treat ourselves and go to a restaurant, maybe chill there the whole day. We'll decide after we visit the cave. The cave is actually quite cheap, like 10-20 liras entrance fee, so that's good. We need to get a helmet to go inside.
Ала мене
И за тебе, сине?
ама каква треба за мене?
Yeah.
I think he likes this. Ready?
Yeah.
We have two big heads.
Don't say that. Horizontal developed cave is 765 meters, 1,300 meters from the sea level.
And it says that it's rich in calcium and magnesium and has a beautifying effect on the skin. So we shall have a dip.
Now we're going to the dark, but I have the shiny shoes. It's very dark. It's very dark. We can't see anything.
Well, you need to crouch to go through. Whoa.
Now we went into our home to Aqua Auto. Now we're not gonna chance with the person. We're going to Turkey.
Out of the cave. Amazing, beautiful place, and I must say that we think, both of us agree on that this one is much more interesting than the one at Safranbolu. Now this one is really long, really narrow. It gives you the Hobbit Goblin Town feeling, and there is water, preserved stalactite and stalagmite, so it's quite cool. Now, continuing the journey. Just arrived at the designated location that we were aiming for. It's a restaurant on the river. Alabalık izaraya köfte. They have fish. So many fisheries along the road that made us mouth-watering for fish. So hopefully they have something fresh to have lunch here.
That's what I want.
Günaydın. So we arrived. I will try my Turkish. Balık var. Teşekkür. The order is made. I didn't film because it was a bit hectic, but we understood each other and we ordered 3 fish, trout, that goes with baked potatoes, baked peppers, baked tomatoes and other baked goods, and you get chai. That cost 150 lira per portion, which is around 4.5 euros today value of the lira, and it's super cheap. This place also, you can literally park your van down there and spend the night. Like, there is lots of Turkish people picnicking here, camping, which is super cool and very nice. It's clean, fresh breeze, and it's far from the heat down in Antalya. So highly recommended this place. Yeah, that's a monkey on the tree.
We are in the tree one. We not important how we gonna sim down. Now we got what? So see you to the next video.
Tavuk.
Wow.
So we have fish, and chicken.
Yemekler sıcak, çocuk sıcak.
Evet. No. How do you know it's fresh?
Ooh, the flesh comes off of the bones very easily, and it's not mushy.
Cannot even talk. We are full.
Very cool.
Quite delicious. We paid total of 650 lira, which is around 20 euro less. You saw our table, so yeah. Now the little guy will go to sleep, and we're gonna continue driving towards new location and maybe find a place to sleep, because yeah, to rest our bellies a bit. Nerede abi? Nerede? Teşekkür ederim. Ateş?
Ateş yakacaksın mı orada? Bak orada yakabilirsin.
Anladım. Grill.
Ateş.
Aha, anladım.
Orada.
Anladım. Kanyon.
Kanyon.
İyi akşamlar.
İyi akşamlar.
Köprü.
Anladım.
2 kilometre.
Oo, çok. Yok problem.
Sabah gezersin. Sabah.
Sabah. Yarın.
Evet.
Evet, anladım.
Okey.
Anladım. Yarın 7 saat git.
Okey.
Ben, yeah.
Tamam.
Okay, teşekkür ederim. İyi akşamlar. Okay, so it's not bad. This place is like an unofficial campsite. It's not on Park 4 Nights, so we discovered it. We can take credit for it. It's literally like a picnic area on the river. Behind us, that's 2-kilometer hike trail to the canyon. Lots of geese, which will be interesting for the cat to chase them around. Nah, I'm joking. He ain't going out. But it's quite clean. There is a market, chai, and some other things. Toilets. No network though, so that's a bummer. But anyways, who needs network when you have the nature? Actually, we need, because Edith's sister is to go in labor, so she's really on edge. So yeah, maybe we're gonna get some edge network. Welcome to Yaz Canyon. chilly morning at the canyon. You saw how beautiful the landscape was in the early morning. It was quite rainy. Whoa! Sorry, the geese are not happy. It was raining in the night, so it had a nice sound. We love sleeping in the rain, and it wasn't that cold as expected, but still we were on with the diesel heater. This morning we are leaving this place because there is no network, and we are in dire need for network, because as I said earlier, Edith's sister is about to give birth. She's in labor, so we need information, and we are going south towards Antalya, and maybe we're gonna find something interesting along the road. We arrived at Termessos National Park to explore the ancient Termessos city that was conquered by Alexander the Great, because it's very difficult to access, so they gave him hell and he couldn't conquer them. The nature is spectacular. There is a huge parking lot after the Serpentine Road to reach this place that you cannot camp at, so you need to leave this area at 6 o'clock. I mean, this period of the year, I don't know how is it in different periods of the year, but now in September it's till 6 p.m. We have luck with the weather today. It's like 20 degrees, cloudy, so we won't get burnt on the hike, and it's very pleasant for trekking. So we're gonna see this ancient town. It was a blissful afternoon and a whole day. I think in general the whole video was blissful. So we're gonna wrap it here, because we just arrived in very close proximity to Antalya, the city, and so the whole new video will be from there, or starting from there. Anyways guys, thank you for watching, and thank you to the new subscribers from Turkey. So see you in the next one. Bye.